Assalamualaikum students, good morning. How are you today? Good? I'm good too. Thank you for asking. Okay, before we jump to our lesson today, mari kita buka dengan sama-sama membaca doa. Take a prayer start. Take a prayer finish. Okay, students, before we go to the materials today, I would like to check the attendance list first. Okay, students, after I check the attendance list, so all of my students are present today, right? Okay, good. Now, students, I want to ask you some question. On this picture, do you know what kind of activity that the girl and the man does? Great. The girl have a breakfast and the man take a bath. Good. Now let's see the second picture. The first picture is he sleep and then he sleeps, and then the second picture is he prepare her stuffs before go to school, right? And the third is he wakes up, and the last picture is he studies. Alright students, that is the example of simple present tense. Okay, but before that, I want to ask you one more question. Give me your daily activity. Please, one students who want to be the hero of this class. Okay, Agus. Okay, wake up at 7 o'clock. That's pretty late, but it's okay. And then you wash your face and then you brush your teeth. Nice, that's a great daily activity. And you sleep at 10 o'clock. Oh, great. Okay, students, what Agus mentioned before are the example of simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Now let's take a look at this laptop. On this laptop, I have write down definition, formula, and the example of simple present tense. Okay, the first one is the definition. Simple present tense is to express about daily or habit. Jadi, simple present tense itu kita gunakan ketika kita ingin mengungkapkan kebiasaan kita atau hal-hal yang kita lakukan secara terus-menerus setiap hari. Seperti itu. And then the formula atau rumus dari simple present tense itu adalah subject, verb 1, object, and time. Time is optional. Bisa dipakai, bisa juga tidak, tergantung bagaimana kalimat di awalnya. There is notes for subject. Ada beberapa catatan untuk subject. For subject, I, you, we, they. Pada verb 1 itu tidak adding s or es at the end of the word. Jadi untuk subjek I, you, we, they, pada kata verb 1 itu tidak perlu ditambahkan the word s and or es. But meanwhile, for subject he, she, it must to adding s or es at the end of the word. Jadi harus ditambahkan huruf s or es, depends on the subject, at the end of the word pada verb 1. Seperti itu. Now, let's take a look at the example. Basically, the picture that I have shown you before is the example of simple present tense. Now, let's see another example. I have write down on this laptop. First example, Atun wake up at 7 o'clock. And then, second sentence, you wash my face. See the different pattern of this example. Third examples, he plays my phone. Ayu read a book. She cooks meal. For subject, he and she, As I mentioned before, he plays. Play adalah verb pertama, tetapi karena subjeknya he, maka ditambahkan s di akhir katanya. Hal yang sama juga terjadi pada subjek she. She cooks milk. Cooks adalah verb pertama, kemudian karena subjeknya she, maka ditambahkan s di akhir kata, menjadi she cooks milk. Okay? You guys understand what I have told to you guys? Understand? Okay, now let's do some exercise. Okay, for the exercise, I have print out your worksheets. This one. So, you guys just choose one best answer, one correct answer, A or B. Just choose one. Mark blah 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 a shower. What the words correct? Is that take or takes? Okay, I will share the worksheets and you guys just have 10 minutes to answer this worksheet. After that, Ibu akan mengumpulkan tugas-tugasnya, kemudian nanti kita akan membahas bersama apa saja jawaban yang benar dari pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini. Okay? Okay students, before we close the lesson today, I want to know how deep you understand the lesson today, the materials today. Now mention what kind of materials that you have learned today. Great, simple present tense. And then, what the formula of simple present tense? Subject, verb 1, and object. For time, is that optional? Great. And last question. Give me 2 examples of simple present tense. Okay, Jessica, I wake up at 5 o'clock. Great. Now Bayu, what's yours? You sleep at 11 o'clock at night? Oh my god, that's a bad habit. You must change it. Okay, but that's correct examples of simple present tense. Okay students, that's all our lesson today. I hope you will mengaplikasikan simple present tense in your daily activity, in your daily routine, sehingga apa yang students dapatkan hari ini bisa selalu ada di pikiran murid-murid semua. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Let's close this class with alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye students.